Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Krishna Vidya Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. I'm just sharing the screen. Yeah. Can you see?
Yes,
You
Mataji,
see?
can see.
Yeah. Shall we start with the prayer? Okay. Let's start. Om Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnanajnanashalaakaya Chakshurunmilitan Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Are you all saying it? I cannot hear many of you. Let's say it. Namo Vishnupadaya
Bhutale
Srimate
Vedanta Swami Namine Namaste
Prasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Ram Hare Rama Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Rama Hare Rama Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Rama Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Rama
Can you all say it together?
Rama Hare
Okay, let's say this together, okay? Let's go together in sync. Yam yam vapi
Smaran Bhagavate Kalevaram Smaran
Okay, so who has memorized this already?
I have.
Who has still not memorized it? Still need to memorize. Okay, Averi, you want to say this? Averi, do you want to say? Averi, do you want to say this verse?
I'm still practicing.
Okay, so Sivya?
I want to say Mataji.
Okay, I'll give you all chance.
one remembers
Okay.
when he quits his body.
Sivya, go ahead.
That is your king with the
Is it the translation?
You know, no, the words, the verse.
Whatever state of being one remembers when
remembers
quits his
body,
body, that
that
state
state will attain
without fail.
Okay, thank you. Okay, then anyway, let's move to the next one.
Mataji, can Pari say this verse?
Okay, Pari, go ahead.
Mataji, can Vrinda say the verse?
Yeah, after Pari, Brinda, you go ahead, okay? Pari, say it. Are you saying it, Pari? I can't hear you. Okay, Brinda, you want to go ahead? I can't hear them all.
Krishneswar Tampoga Te Dharma Jan Adviksaha Nasta Edison Asia Puro Nakrodunadita Mommy Balram
Balram, go ahead.
कृष्णे स्वधाम भगते धर्म न्यायाधिपीशः खलो नष्टादुषामेषा पुरै नरकोदनोदितः.
Thank you.
Ramachandra wants to say.
Ramachandra, can you read the translation?
Okay, Mataji. This Bhagavad Purana is as brilliant as the sun, and it has arisen just after the departure of the Lord to his own abode, accompanied by religion, knowledge, etc. Persons who have lost their vision due to dense darkness of ignorance in the age of Kali shall get light from the Purana.
Thank you, Ramachandra.
Thank you, Mataji.
So, huh?
That is the story for today.
क्यों नहीं हो रहा?
Yes, so we are reading the story
अगर
of
मैं ये पीछे कर रहा हूँ आगे जा रहा है, पीछे
Can
कर रहा हूँ आगे जा रहा है.
Can you mute if there is a lot of sound, please mute yourself. Okay, so we are reading the story of Ajamil. Let's see what we read so far. So Ajamil was born in a fine Brahmana family. How was he? He was well mannered, he was truthful because his father
A good boy.
because his father had raised him nicely and he had instructed him to the best of his ability. So how he was? He was well mannered, he was self-controlled, very much respectful to all the grown-ups.
He had Krishna consciousness.
And he had learned a lot of Vedic mantras. You know, he used to chant Vedic mantras, and he had good qualities. He was well mannered, truthful, like how an idle boy should be. And one day, what happened? His father asked him to go to the forest and collect some fruits and flowers for the Lord for the evening offering. There, he happened to see a man and a woman. And that woman was not much of good character that we saw yesterday, right? And in those days, these kind of scenes were not, they were not happening so commonly. Like everyone was coming from cultured family and they all were from good families. So these scenes were not common. So he saw that, he started to think about it. But what happened, he thought, okay, this is not a good thing. So he started to chant the mantras to avoid those thoughts. But he could not stop thinking about it, whatever he saw in the forest. So this is what we saw till yesterday. So let's see what happens next. So like I said, Ajamil could not stop thinking about Kama. The Kama is the name of that lady. And his mind became out of control. He tried to forget about, yes. So he tried to forget about whatever he saw, but he could not stop all those thoughts. He again and again and again, he was thinking, getting those same thoughts. The more he was trying to avoid those thoughts, the more he started to think about her. And he was thinking, how can I see her again? He started to think about that, like, how can I see her again? So finally what happened? He hired her as a maid servant at his home. Then when he hired her as a maid servant, he could see her every day and he could talk to her every day. So because of her bad association, he lost all his Brahmanical qualities. What all he used to do every day, being a Brahmana boy, all his routine practices and everything he stopped doing. And because he began to, because he began to give her lots of time and he started to fulfill all her desires. Whatever she was asking, he was doing that. He used to get her lots of gifts. Whatever she would ask, he would buy it. One day what happened, his father died. So he got a lot of money after his father's death in property. So he started using all that money also for her. He also gave up his wife. So you remember, he was a married person. Although he was a married person, he got attracted to this Kama. So he totally forgot about his own wife and he started considering Kama as his own wife. Not just that, he started doing a lot of other sinful activities also, like cheating people, gambling, taking money from others, robbing. So all this happened because of the bad association. The first bad association was the bad thoughts which he got in his mind, and the second bad association was Kama, with whom he started to live together. So later what they got 10 sons, and the youngest one was Narayan, who was very much dear to Ajamil. So this is the story we are going to discuss today. Anyone has any questions in here so far? Did you all understand this? We will see in short. We will see
Why did he think about those bad thoughts anyway?
We will see in short how Ajamil fell down, like how his fall down happened. First he got
Keep
attracted.
on thinking about that woman.
Yes. First he got attracted through his eyes. Then he got attached to her in his mind. Then he got determined. He thought, yes, this is what I want to think now. Then he lost his sleep. His mind became very weak. He did not care about external things like about his wife or about other people, what they are thinking. He totally forgot about his Brahminical qualities. He did not care about that. He became shameless. He got too much mad into other activities also. That was, he was entangled with too much madness. He could not think of anything else. And that's how the complete fall down happened. Okay. So yesterday we saw what is meant by association. Can someone read this first point?
Say your name.
Riya, you want to say Riya?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, which Riya is reading? 1 second. Riya, Aryan Riya, can you read it?
Yes, Mataji.
The first line.
A group of people who have the same interest, business,
etc. So what do you think, what is that group of people who have the same interest and business? What do you understand by that?
association.
You have any good example for that?
Mataji, a good example can be that same interest, like if both of them, like if children come together and they have the interest, or teenagers, they have an interest of chemicals or science, they come together and they have the
For
same
example is, yes, very good. Who is that? Who is answering?
Mataji, Pari.
Pari, very good, Pari.
No, what did
So a good example is, do you think we are a group? Do you think we are a group with the same interest and business?
Mataji.
Yes.
Yeah.
Our group.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, our group is a,
Maybe. Mataji, maybe not, maybe yes.
why not? So a group of people who have the same interest and business. Our interest is the same, our business is the same, which is Krishna. So that is association, okay? Connection or relationship between things or people. If you're connected to anything or any people, that is also called as association. Or a feeling or memory or thought. How it can be an association? If you're thinking of some past memories, or if you're feeling something, that means you're associating with that. Is it correct? So that is also association. So what are the examples you can give in your life? What are the different ways we associate? It can be friends, people like relatives, teachers, school, books. Books is also association. We are associating with that. Internet, movies which we watch. It depends what kind of movies we are watching. So that is also association. Do you all agree that this is all association? You understood?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. So why did Ajamil fall down despite being a Brahmana and learned? The one reason is bad association. What is the other reason? Arav, can you tell me? Can you guess? Apart from bad association, why he had a fall down?
Not sure.
Anyone else has any answer?
Ramachandra,
Mataji, I know
Ramachandra.
because of keep on thinking.
Yes, he got associated with the thoughts also. That is also bad association. But apart from bad association, why did he fall down?
Mind.
Mind, okay.
Because he always thought about Kama and he got closer
Yeah.
to her.
Yes, that's true.
That
Another reason.
is.
Okay, I will tell you another reason.
That
is
basically is mind.
he had no association. He had no other association. Like, do you remember a story we recently learned? Who did not have any association? Which,
Bharat.
yes, King Bharat.
Yes,
Did not have any association when he was in the forest. So he got attached. There was nobody to correct him. There was nobody to guide him. Similarly, Ajamil also, there was no association. So having no good association. Can someone read this? Keshavi, can you read this?
Having no good association around is as good as bad association. So we should always strive to have a good company association around.
Yes. So you know now how much it is important to have a good association, right? We should always have someone, if we are to correct us. Ajamil, if somebody was there with him to correct him, do you think it would have happened? No, but he always had a bad association, no good association, no other association. So it happened. So why devotee association is so important? So there is a purport in Bhagavad Gita 8.28. Srila Prabhupada mentions when we are in the association of devotees and when we are performing devotional services in the association of devotees, what happens? Everything becomes clear with us about Krishna. Because we talk about Krishna, we discuss about Krishna, we ask our questions to them, we share our realizations. So everything becomes clear, our doubts are removed. And what happens when we are studying this Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam with them? It becomes extremely pleasurable, the study of Bhagavatam and Bhagavad Gita. And we develop a taste and feeling for Krishna. That's the first stage. We develop a taste for Krishna, feeling for Krishna. Then that takes us to the love of our Krishna. And then it takes us to the highest perfectional stage of life, where which prepares the devotee's transferal to Krishna's abode in the spiritual sky, Golok Vrindavan, where the devotee enters into eternal happiness. So why this all happens? With the devotee association, which is so important. Okay. So what are the good examples of good association? Who is this? Adrit, who is this here?
Srila Prabhupada.
Srila Prabhupada. Yes. In those days, devotees, they all came in touch with Srila Prabhupada and they got completely transformed.
They went back to Godhead.
Yes. And which is the other, who is in the next picture?
Narada Muni and
Kayadu.
Narada Muni and Kayadu.
And Prahlad Maharaj was in the association of Narad Muni since when he was in the womb of Kayadu. So because of that association, he got that consciousness from the childhood, right?
Because of Narada.
Do you know any other examples of good association? Can anyone share?
One example of good association is
Which
Yes.
life was that of Prahlad Maharaj? Because he was
Valmiki Muni.
which life was that of Prahlad Maharaj?
Yes.
Yes.
Correct.
Mataji Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was a good association
Yes,
person.
correct.
Because of his association, Jagai and Madhai got delivered.
Yes, correct.
Haridas
Correct.
Thakur.
Very good. Let's move to the next one. So this, let's see some of the examples of bad association. Who is this? Can you all guess? He was actually a very good-hearted. She had lots of love for Ram. She actually had lots of love for Lord Ram. But what happened? Because of the association of Mantra, she completely changed her thoughts and feelings for Lord Ram. Right? And who is this in the other picture?
Kama.
Karna.
Krishna and Arjuna.
Association. He was killed by Arjuna.
Bad association.
Any other examples of bad association?
Can you say the example of Karna again? Everybody was talking.
Mataji, Mrigari
Okay.
with Narada
Mataji, could you say the thing about Karna again? Everybody
Karna
was
was in the
talking.
association of Kauravas. He chose to be with Kauravas in the battle. So what happened? He got killed by Arjuna. Right?
Mataji, I also know
Mataji, one
an
example of bad
Yes,
association.
Prahlad, you want to say?
Yeah, I want-
association.
What about the
I
story
want to
of
say
the crow?
Mrigari.
The pigeon died because
Yes.
of the crow.
Yes. Right.
Mataji, one bad association could be one bad association could be Dhritarashtra and Duryodhana, because Dhritarashtra was actually a very nice king, but then when Duryodhana was born, he got very attached to him and he took bad association.
Yes, correct. Who is that?
Pari Mataji.
Okay.
And one example was Duryodhana and Shakuni also.
Thank you, Pari. So a very famous quote by Warren Buffett. Do you know who is Warren Buffett?
Yes, Mataji.
Who is
No,
it?
Mataji. No,
Who
Mataji.
knows? Who knows?
No, Mataji.
Me, Nana.
Huh?
He's a rich banker businessman.
Yeah, he's a big businessman in USA. His quote is, when you are associating with the people that you love, doing what you love, it doesn't get any better than that. So if we are around people whom we love and we are doing something which we love, then that is the best thing that can happen to us. Okay. So here in this picture, like you can see, do they look happy?
Yes.
Yeah, right? They look happy and they look so blissful because they are around. Yeah,
Yes,
you relate this picture with this quote. They are around people whom they love and they are doing what they love. So they look happy and they look so blissful, right? And they are in the group of people who have the same interests and same business. So let's see in general, what are the examples of bad association? So I want someone to tell me what all is happening here in these pictures. Vidharth, can you tell me what is happening here
They're
in this
bullying.
first picture? Vidharth, can you tell me?
Bullying.
Bullying. Yes. And how is she feeling? She is happy or she is
She's sad.
and what is happening here in verbal? In verbal, what is happening here?
People are screaming at him.
People are saying bad words or
Bad
something.
things.
People are calling him bad names.
Yeah. Ojasvi, can you tell me, Ojasvi, what is happening in this
They're
social?
bullying her, Mataji.
People are laughing.
They're laughing, yeah, because there is some association. They will laugh at you because you have glasses. They will laugh at you because you're short. So, they just laugh and they find pleasure in that. They keep doing that, right? Here in physical things, someone is just pushing someone.
Pushing and
Yeah.
being
Yeah,
rude.
Feeling happy about it.
You could
right?
just walk around them and go.
Yeah, there is cyberbullying. They send bad messages and bad
Yeah.
comments. Yeah.
I
This is all-
to do cyberbullying, you can do cyberbullying in our law.
Is that Ramachandra?
Yes, Mataji.
Oh, you asked something I didn't understand, Ramachandra. You asked or you said?
I've heard that in USA they made like some law about cyberbullying.
Yeah, there must be. I don't know much about it. Other examples are what are they doing here?
They're drinking.
They are into intoxication.
They're
And
intoxicated.
they are in this. Someone is smoking here.
Intoxication.
What does intoxication mean?
They're drinking. And I read, I also read recently, like some of the kids in the high school also have started doing it. They don't tell their parents. They try to hide it from the teachers. And
Why are they drinking?
they find pleasure in that. You know, some kids, they think it's a cool thing. They think it's very cool. It's in fashion. That's what they think. Do you think it's cool?
No.
Oh my God, I do not like that.
They think if we are not doing, they think we are old fashioned. So they try to show off and they think that we are so cool and we are doing this, we are in fashion. But they don't know what are the consequences of that, which is a sad,
Yeah.
which is very, very bad association, examples of bad association. So how do we identify bad association? Let's see. Khushi, how do you identify, Khushi, that some association is bad?
Well, bad association, it can hurt people's feelings.
Yes. True. Rudra, you want to say, how do you identify bad association?
Mataji, can Ria go?
Yes, Ria.
I forgot.
Okay.
Mataji, can she go?
Let's see how can we identify bad association. Okay. Association with diverts us or distracts us from our goal, like studies, chanting, good habits, etc. Like some of the friends, they try to divert us from our goal. While we are studying, they try to call us to play because they cannot see we are trying to study or we are being studious. They feel envy. They try to distract you. Some gadgets like mobile phones. We keep thinking about mobile phones. When we think about that, we're trying to associate with the mobile phones and gadgets and games. So these are the things that distract us from our goal. Is this a good association?
Bad.
No.
Good. Bad. Bad association.
Another association is the one which makes fun of us. They
You have to do it
disrespect
no matter what.
who we are or what we are doing. Like if they make fun of our. Okay, can someone please mute yourself if there is a lot of noise? I don't know. Okay, thank you. So there is some association who makes fun of our social life. They make fun of our religious practices or our eating habits. That is also not a good association. We have to identify that. Since we don't eat few of the things, right? We don't eat few food stuff. But if some friend is making fun of that, then you think it is a good association?
No.
Oh,
Bad association.
yes.
Bad association.
Some association, they just take our association only for their own benefit. They come to us only when they need something from us. And then later they just ignore us. So we have
Why do they ignore you?
they don't, other times they don't want to be with you. There are some people who do that. They come to you only when they need you. They need something from you. Other times they don't care about your feelings. There is such association. I'm probably you're not in such association yet, but it's good if you keep these things in mind so that in future you are careful about it. So we have to identify such association also.
After this class, is it cooking or a craft?
Today, I don't know. Maybe Mataji will tell you. Mataji will. I think it's a craft. I don't know, but Mataji will tell you after this class, okay? Next one, what is happening here? What are they doing? Can someone read this?
They're being rude to one
Teachers
person.
makes us do bad things
Yeah,
while
but
hide about
telling
things
him
from
bad
parents.
things.
Blackmailing bad
Some,
things.
so some kids, they might teach you to
Looking
do
bad,
some bad
Mataji.
things. And they lie. They make you lie about the things. They make you hide about
Blackmail.
from your parents. They blackmail you. Like, you do this, then I will do that for you. If you don't do, it won't be good for you. So they blackmail you. And
See,
then
what does ragging mean?
bullying. They will
Oh,
make you
thank
do
you.
things. Even though you're not willing to do something, they will make you do it. It's called bullying, ragging.
What is blackmailing?
Blackmailing means they will say, you do this for me, otherwise it won't be good. I'll do something bad for you, bad to you, if you don't do this. They somehow they try to find ways which gives them pleasure and which hurts others. Hurting others is like a pleasure to them. And they also make you lie about things. They make you do bad things, and they tell you that don't tell this to your parents. They make you hide it from parents. Do you think we should hide anything from parents?
No.
No,
Not
Mataji.
everything, right? Yes.
No.
Also, another example of bad association. Another one is association, like people, they use bad words or bad language, abusive words. This is also again example of bad association. Any other examples of bad association?
Mataji, can you go back to the 28th slide?
Yeah.
What language is he even speaking?
That I don't know, but definitely he is not speaking something good. He is not speaking anything good.
Google दोबारा तंग कर रहा है मेरे को.
So, and they don't even understand how the other person is feeling when you use bad languages. So all these qualities, these qualities, they are also called human qualities, and they find pleasure when they behave like this with others. Any other example do you know about bad? I'll move to the next one.
One bad association is that.
So how to deal with? I'll move to the next one. If we have time, we'll discuss about it, okay? How to deal with bad association. What will you do if you are facing some bad association? What you should do?
Mataji, we should leave that place if we don't want to get influenced.
Yes, I have mentioned that here. So if somebody is pushing us or somebody is using bad words with us, do you think we should do the same? Like tit for tat? We should have that kind of attitude?
No.
No, then what is the difference between them and us? So we should always be compassionate. We should not behave like them to take a revenge or something. We should never think like that. We should set an example, and we should try to be a representative of Krishna consciousness. So we should always behave how we are supposed to behave. We should not get carried away by their behavior, and try to stay away from them as much as possible, or take their association only when it's required. And we should also learn to say no. If they are telling us to do something, we should not think, oh, she's my friend, how can I say no? Do you think we should say yes because she's a friend, although she's saying something not so good, he or she?
Mataji, we should say no.
No, we should say
No.
to learn to say no strictly.
Whoever it is, you have to say no.
Huh?
Whoever it is, you have to say no if it's wrong.
Yes, whoever it is, if it is not good for us, we should say no strictly. We should be firm. And if you cannot do all these, what is the best thing to do? Talk to your parents or teachers or grown-ups, whoever is there. Talk to them freely about it. Don't feel shy or don't hesitate, whatever is happening. We should never hide anything from parents, right? And then we should stay strong, stick to our roots, values, good behavior, whatever good practices we are doing. We should stick to that. We should not get influenced by others. Like there is a good example of Haridas Thakur. If I have time, I will say this story. But it's a very good example of Haridas Thakur. How he's the best example who was aloof, who remained aloof from all this gross worldly, material.
Mataji,
Yes, Mataji.
we will have to switch on to the another class.
Yeah, okay, Mataji. So, and the other one is we should pray to Krishna for ourselves, and we should pray to those also. Pray to Krishna for those also who are giving the bad association. Like we can offer them some prasadam, and we should always stick to our own thing. Okay. So I think we don't have much time now. So I think Mataji, then you can take over, Mataji. I'll just stop sharing the screen.
Ratnavali Mataji, are you there? Thank you so much, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare
Thank
Krishna.
you, Mataji. Happy
Hare Krishna.
Mataji. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much.
Ratnavali Mataji is there. Hari bol Mataji.
Hari bol. Such a good class, right? You all enjoyed?
Yes, Mataji.
Sorry, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Very good. Okay. Today we will be, let me share my screen first. Okay. You're able to see the screen, right?
Yes, Mataji. Yes,
Okay.
Mataji.
We'll be, now you all know what is association and all those, right? So in Krishna consciousness, like what we follow, we have 4 regulative principles. We'll be talking about that first 2, okay? How Ajamila, because you're going through Ajamila story, right? So we'll see why we have to follow and what are the rules we have to follow, okay? So we'll say first Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Okay. So in our day-to-day life, we have to follow 4 regulative principles. That regulative principles means that we should not do this, like a law book kind of it. Like for example, you have this driving license, right? Or when you go on road on the car, using car or anything. So what happens? You will stop at the red signal. Why you stop at the red signal? Because if you cross the red signal, you will get a ticket. First of all, the other thing is, it's not at all safe. Some other car can come and hit you and you'll get hurt, right? So there are the rule books in your driving license for each state that, okay, you need to follow so and so. Right? And for example, if you go to, from one state to the other state for visiting, and you say that, cop stops and says that, okay, you just, speed limit was just 65 and you have crossed the 65 limit. So you'll get a ticket. And if you say, no, I don't know about the rules about this state, will the cop will be quiet? No, right? What he'll say, you have to learn this state's rules. Otherwise, it's like, you cannot drive on this state's roads. So that's the main reason rule book is always important. Okay. And the 4 regulative principles are no meat eating, no intoxication, no illicit sex, and no gambling. These are the 4. Okay. So
What is no gambling?
That we'll be talking about today, no gambling and the wrong kind of association. That comes in the next slide. I'll tell you. Okay. So, no gambling and no illicit sex. That is wrong association. This gambling, you can see this slide, right? It has all the cards, dice, and poker game, all those. So when you go here, so why we should not? I'll tell about the gambling, what is gambling and everything in the next slide. But I just wanted to know why we should not do that. That is very important, because without any, correct explanation, if you say that, no, you cannot do this, no, you cannot do that, what will happen? Your mind will not think, like, okay, there's no reason to do this. It's just a sentimental value, and we'll just strike it out and then just go back. So, I mean, go back to the routine. So we should not do that. We should know, we should understand why we are told like that, why these are very important in our life. That is very important to, question and question yourself and get the answers with some, elders. So we already said that, okay, there is a rule book. Like in our rule book, already Krishna has given in the form of Vedas, and those are called as dharma. So if we don't follow those rules, that is not that means that you are doing adharma. Adharma means against the rules, and you'll get the sins. Sins means we have in Bhagavad Gita, we already read, right? We go be born into all the 84 lakh species, going round and round. Why each person, why cat is born as a cat, or why dog is born as a dog, and human is, we are born as a human. Why? Because of our past karma. So this, whenever we do wrong, that means that everything will be calculated and said that, okay, you have done this so much of wrong, so you will be taking birth as a particular into a particular body in your next life. For example, if you have killed so many animals, okay, just for fun, okay, then what will happen? So next life you will
How
go
do you
through.
know that you're from a past life?
Yeah, so see, we are just, we think that this is the only life we had, but we don't know. It's like a golf ball, golf ball. Did you open anytime, opening the golf ball? So when you open, it was just entangling of all the rubber bands, like one over the other, one over the other. You cannot even entangle that. That's so, so much of, one over the other, and you cannot do that. So it's like that. Our karma is also like that. So when you do proper, follow the rule book, you will get sins. That may take so many lifetimes to, make over that. Like, atonement. It's called as, for example, if you are, do some sin, what the jailer or what the police does, they will put you in the jail, right? Once you are all the sentence, 6 months you have to go and sit in the jail. So what will happen after the 6 months? You will come back, right? That means that 6 months you got this punishment. That is called as, these sinful activities will be coming. So to avoid that, we have to follow the Dharma book, and also we should take the shelter of Krishna. Once you follow this, last week we also said, right, like what is a good choice? Just now also we heard, is bullying good or wrong? So we all said bullying is not good, it's like wrong. So in the same way, we have to take shelter of the Krishna by taking right choices, okay? And always think that, we have Krishna has given us the intelligence, which is higher than the animals. Like, because animals, like, they do what? Eating, then sleeping and defending and mating. That's all, right? But for us, intelligence is given. So we have to use our intelligence in order to ask why we have to do this and why we have not done this. So that's why we should use it, and we should try to follow these rules. And the next one is, you asked, what is gambling? So the urge to earn more money in less time. Like, urge means like, that kind of a just passion. Oh, I have to get like $1,000 million in just an hour. Then what we'll do? We'll just go and say, okay, okay, then I'll just put in some gambling, so that, or betting. So, okay, if this horse wins, in a race, then I'll get like, $10,000. So it's very easy. Like, I'll just give $5 or $10 and then just bet and say that if I'm lucky, then I'll get all the money without even doing any hard work. That is called as gambling. We should not depend upon our fate or on our, this gambling. We should always try to take shelter of Krishna, because without Krishna's will, we cannot do anything, right? Like, We cannot even, you know, make our eyelids just twinkle. Like we cannot do that. So it's very, very hard. Like how Kauravas and Pandavas, what they did gambling, and what happened? Pandavas lost everything because Krishna is on their side. Like, you know, Pandavas saw in such a way that that's their fate. Like, you know, okay, we lost everything, but Krishna is on our side, and this is like our, you know, atonement. And from then on, like, I should not play, you know, gambling. So like that.
If Krishna is not there, we wouldn't breathe or stay.
Krishna is always there with us. You have to just listen to your inner self. Like you have a, you know, intelligence, right? So you need to understand. Okay. If a choice is given, you should understand which is a good choice, which is a bad choice. Choose a good choice. If you choose a good choice and listen to your parents and listen to your, you know, mentors, then you will go to a good, you know, path. Or else you will have to, you know, pay for that.
Krishna is everywhere.
Yeah, Krishna is everywhere. That's true. And that is gambling. Okay, you understood about gambling, right? What is gambling? Getting more money in less time without any hard work. That is gambling. And wrong association. Until now, we all spoke about wrong association and what is good association, right? So, same thing, like how Ajamila got very attracted to the untruthful woman and he fell down. And his heart also became very cruel. So that's why his heart changed. He got association with a bad woman. But whereas Haridas, what happened?
Mataji, what is cruel?
Cruel means so mean. Like, you know, Ajamula also went to, you know, kill someone because he wanted just so badly the money. Because that girl, she was asking, I need a beautiful necklace, diamond necklace. You have to bring, otherwise you are not going to come inside the house. Then what happened? Ajamila was like, okay, he is so desperate, right, to get her association. So he just went and, you know, robbed other people and, you know, by giving them trouble. That is cruel. We cannot.
Like a punishment? It's like a punishment?
Not like a punishment. Cruel means changing, like, you know, we are very bad. Like, you know, we don't even think about the other person's, you know, you know, situation, but we give more pain and pain and pain. Giving so much of pain without any reason, without any other people's, you know, what could I can say? Like, you know, for example, okay, there is a dog, you know, cute dog, puppy, just moving around, and you just go and say that, okay, this puppy is coming into my territory, so I'll just go and take the, you know, rock and then hit the puppy. So what? That's a cruel action, right? Unnecessarily, you are giving pain to the other person, other living entity. So like that, Ajamila used to do for the humans. He used to kill, he used to fight with the other persons because he was very early, you know, mind became so bad. Okay? But what Haridas has done in the same opposite, he was chanting so much that by listening, the woman has, you know, she wants to get the association of Haridas, and Haridas said, okay, keep quiet, you have just sit down there, I will finish my rounds and come back. And immediately Haridas was chanting so much that girl's mind was also changed, and she was also chanting. So always give the association, not take the association. When we want, but you need to understand, like, you know, take the association means whenever it is, he is a pure devotee or, you know, parents, or, you know, you need to take the association. Grab which is good, bad, take it out. We will not eat the bad apples, right? Like that, choose the good apples and throw the bad apples like that.
Thank you, Mataji.
Mataji,
Yeah.
so what is the bottom part of the slide with the woman and the mask?
So this is the what Ajamila is also done. So what happened is, I mean, not Ajamila, but the other one. So if a man, for example, in a relationship, so if one person, like, he hurt him, hurt, and she was just, he went to the other woman in order to get the association because he was not happy with her. So that's why he just chose the other person by giving pain to this lady. So that's why she was crying, and in the mirror, she'll, thinking that I that she was very sad that her husband, she went to the other lady, like that. Okay.
Mataji, what is the top picture?
This is Ajamula. You were listening to the Ajamula story, right? How Ajamula just saw the lady and then he was really attracted to her, like that.
Krishna is God, so how God is invisible, so Krishna can see us, but we can't see him because he's God. So he's invisible.
We should have spiritual eyes to see him. It's not like, Krishna, we cannot, because we are so cruel, I mean, like, have so many contaminations, right? That's why we are not able to see Krishna. If we are very pure, 100% we can see everything.
We can see Krishna in Vrindavan.
Yeah, not only in Vrindavan, he is everywhere, right? We can see, like, Krishna is also listening to this class.
I mean, see, but we don't have the eyes to, like, if we even see him, then we would leave our body.
Okay, I'll ask you this question, okay? Don't think that if we see him, we'll leave the body. Don't think like that. It's not true. The main thing is, see, I'll just ask you. So you cannot see the air, right? You can just feel it. And did you ever feel that, okay, I have done this wrong thing, or, I'm going through a very tough situation, and you'll get, 1 or 2 days later, you will be getting all the correct instructions without any, searching for answers also. You'll get all the kinds of correct answers, whatever challenges you're facing. So that is nothing but our super soul is trying to tell you, like, you do this, you'll get a correct result, and you will be out of your bad situation. So that is nothing but Krishna only. We have to just listen to him. But we are busy eating. Yeah. Any questions? So that's why you have heard about this, right? So try to see in your own life, whenever you want your association, or whenever you have to talk to your parents or your mentors and get the right things.
What's in the next slide?
Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji.
Yeah.
I have one question from the slide.
Sure. Which slide?
The 6th one. Why is Ajamil hiding in the tree?
Ajamila, because he was a Brahmin, right? You heard in today's class that he was a Brahmin and he was doing all the mantras and everything. So while he was doing his routine life, like, going and, getting all the things from the forest, then he saw this lady, beautiful lady. That's why he was seeing from, corner, like, what this lady is doing, like that. So that's why he was hiding.
Okay,
He doesn't want to make some appearance. Peeking.
Okay, Mataji.
Okay.
What's the next slide?
It's done. Hare Krishna. Only 2 regulative principles to this time, and next we'll have to go.
Krishna, 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama,
Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram.
Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare
So
Krishna,
if no questions,
Hare Rama.
What is next class? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna.
very good chatting.
Over. Is the class over?
Yeah, it's done.
When are we
Yes,
gonna
yes,
have
it's
our
done,
cooking
Mataji.
class, Mati?
Hare Krishna Mataji, end it off.
Class.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji, thank you so much, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you.
Yeah, Mataji, we can end the call.
Okay.
Mataji, when is the cooking class?
Sindhu Bheva Patitaनां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः।
Namo Namaha.
Mataji, when is the cooking class?
प्रभुपाद की जय।
Hi.
Mataji, when is the cooking
जय।
class?
माता
In
की
class is
जय।
tomorrow.
की जय।
Oh.
Yeah, cooking class.